I can't pick all of it. It's a lot, but I... Wow, 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 good timing. My husband just came in from work. Let me get... Grape tree, ripen. Wow, look at this. Look, look, all over, look. Oh, I'm gonna pick them and make some grape juice. Wow, wow, look, look. They're looking lovely. Yes. So I'm gonna climb my ladder and I'm gonna pick. These are different types of grape. The best grapes. The best grape. I want to pick the green one off. The next day I can have the green one. I am at my backyard. Yes. Look here. My backyard is so fruitful. Thank you, Lord. You can pick all of... Bring this little to me. Oh, Lord. Look at here. Look. Lovely. You remember the song at school named Lovely Dainty Spanish Needle? These are lovely dainty grapes. Wow. I'm so proud of my backyard. Look over here. I can just have a handful. Look, I can't pick all of it. It's a lot, but I can't pick all. I'm just gonna, as I said with my star fruit, natural juice, I'm gonna make natural grape juice. Look, look. Okay guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rinty's Plate. You saw me earlier outside picking my grape from my backyard. Yes, and you know the name of this grape is Muscadine grapes. It helps to reduce Alzheimer's disease and cancer cell. Yes, very good benefits it have. So I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna add a piece of ginger to it. You know me always use ginger in my juice. So I'm gonna add a piece of ginger, and if I taste it and it's fresh, then I add a little sugar to it. But I'm gonna wash my grapes. Grapes, they're organic. No sprays on my grapes, so I don't have to put nothing to wash it more than water. See? Nice, man. Lovely. Taking out the green one. You can boil it in hot water and juice it, but I want all the benefit out of it. So I don't want the hot water to kill the benefits. So I'm not gonna put it in no hot water. Okay? Okay, I'm just gonna cut up the ginger and blend it with the ginger. You know I like to do the ginger first, but in many cases you have to do it certain way. Okay. I'm using my NutriBullet. Natural juice. Okay. And the water. So pretty. Here's another dose. So lovely. Wow. Is that? Wow, wow, wow. Good timing. My husband just came in from work. Let me get him. Ozzy,
Yes, honey.
come and taste my juice.
Come in there.
Guess what? I picked my grape from the backyard. And look what I did.
You're looking so fantastic.
Delicious. All right, let us cheer. Take up a glass. Cheers.
Cheer, honey.
Oh, from our backyard to our mouth. Or to our belly.
Mmm, so delicious.
Mm-mm. It's a good thing I didn't have no sugar.
A lot of vitamin in this.
Wow. Wow. Mm-mm. Wow. Very nice.
So delicious and nice.
Very, very nice.
All grapes.
All grapes. Just grapes and a pinch of ginger. Not much. And it tastes very delicious.
Guys, you must
Very
try
nice.
this. Oh, it's so
Hey
nice.
guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a little comments down below. Thank you very much. Bye.